Bakit yung bago yung ano yung naging desisyon nyo doon?
Wala. Doon na sinabi ko sa inyo, naghahanap kami ng big man na versatile. Lahat ng binanggit ko doon sa interview nandito kay Balti. Big man, skilled, nandito lahat. And aside from the talent and the skills that he has, I know him, we know him personally, we know that he's a winner. We know that he's going to do whatever it takes to help our team.
Coach, kailan nyo napag-desisyon na si Balti yung ano? Siyempre, may mga intriguing na talent pero kailan kayo nag-decide na si Balti talaga?
Well, yun ang hiningi namin, hinahanap namin ng mga traits. Nandun sa kanya lahat. We don't want to name him early kasi may mga dumarating pa Pero, well, nandito na.
Coach, lalo kalaking bagay na yung familiarity ni Justin sa iyo and sa sistema mo. Pero lalo kalaking bagay sa iyo na yung adjustment baka hindi gaano kabigat.
Matagal na yun 2016 pa and 17. 2 years. Pero, syempre, na-coachan ko siya ng early part ng collegiate career niya. And yung mga skill sets na pinuro ng coaching staff, not necessarily me kasi during that time nandun sila Coach Glenn, nandun sila Coach Louie, pero yung mga skill sets na yon naituro namin sa kanya. And nung umalis ako and nung isang team na siya naglaro, kita namin na nandun. Aside from that, natagdagan hindi naman tumitigil to si Balti sa pag-unang skills niya.
Well, congratulations, DJ, and speaking of one. Yes, DJ, Monica is with us, and Monica will know that DJ suffered a rather serious back injury last year. You've seen it all this road to recovery and just trying to get better. What can you say about the patience and the hard work he put in and has been a chance to achieve?
Pagsasabihin mo ba sila ni Justin Arana sa lineup o?
Pwede. Justin can play the four spot. Balti, both of them are Justin. Si Balti makakapaglaro ng 4 May dumating na big man. Pag may import, might slide into the 3 spot. Ganun ka versatile. Do it all.
Yung Balti na nandyan na yung converts na at least ng present playoff contender. Immediately,
Of course, everybody wants to karating dito sa playoffs. And pagdating sa playoffs, tingnan na lang natin
matchup against Yulma, Stanab, Alcazar, and the rest of the league.
I told you, he has the skills, he has the talent. Pero more than that, yung ugali, he's going to do more. He'll find a way. Kasi hindi natin, if we're going to compare quality, Junmar, Cardinal, Japet, mas malalaki yung kay Balti. And probably more experience, mga veterano. Pero doon na papasok ang papasok.
But sometimes he has to improve his consistency. I've watched it for a long time. It's okay. He's got a bad play.
Balti, ano yung technician mo? Sila Junmar, malaking mga pick sa PBA.
And coming up next, picking next, will be the Phoenix 2.2 Masters. Hindi lang first time nakapag-PBA yung bilang pagkakata. Tama yan, pero yung napanggit dito ibang klase.
Rekta nandyan So, ang usapan nyo in terms sa kontrata niya, tatapusin ba niya yung PBL o rekta na sa PBL?
Well, they have to win first. Kami naman, we're going to be patient. And whatever it is, kung anong decision ni Gov Delta, kung anong decision, of course, na most big, go budget, susunod din natin. We're excited na. Nandito na sa amin si Barty. Kung kailan darating, kung kailan maglalaro, aantay natin.
Final pa.
Hindi pa the fourth.
Coach, yung other teams nyo, parang tumakitin kayo dahil sa Manila. Ano naman sayo mo sa mga napili nyo sa second round?
Well, hanap na lang kami ng size. Yun ang kulang namin. And hanap na kami ng mga role players. We got it. Nakuha namin. Very happy ka. Look at the list. Yes, of course. We're happy with the players that we got.
Coach, thank you.